Hey, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. We're in a bit of trouble here today, and had to come out here and pull my father's ATV out of a creek that has been flooded. It's usually not this bad, but I guess the beavers made a dam somewhere, and the water is built up. And he didn't think it would be that bad, because look how bad this thing is buried. His Honda Fourtrax 300. Look at that. It's terrible. So I'm going to try and winch him out with my old Suzuki. Looks like we're going to have to break this ice here.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's why I brought the axe.
Yeah. So I thought I'd bring you along for the adventure. We're going to have some fun here. And hopefully we don't get wet. Look at the front end buried right down in there. What'd you do that for? Something to do. Yeah, it was at least it's a mild day. We're not too cold. Okay, we'll get at it. I can feel the ice under me moving. I'm way back here.
Me too.
I should go back and get my hip waders. Just in case.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Famous last words.
I hope not, man.
Wow. Okay, we managed to get the ice broke and got the strap on. Now we're going to hook it up to the Suzuki here. See if we can pull this out. Okay, we got to put some brakes on here. Oh, I'm at the end of my... I'll try... Want me to try and back up? Yeah, we might have to winch it. I'm just spinning here. So I was just checking my phone, checking my video clips, and the part where I was pulling Dad's ATV out of the creek, it didn't work. I guess I thought I pushed record, it didn't record. I was trying to operate this thing, I was trying to operate the winch and the phone all at the same time. But I'm sorry about that, because that was like the coolest part. But we got it halfway out, you saw that part. And then my winch cable was right up as far as it can go inside the winch. So I tried to reverse, we spun immediately on the ice. So I just let more winch rope out, backed up some more, and basically turned the winch on, drawed the ATV out of the water, came out no problem. We were really lucky. So now let's continue with the video. Well, we got a bit wet, or the machine got a little wet, but the exhaust wasn't underwater, and I don't believe the air box was underwater. We'll have to take a look maybe.
You know what?
But it came out of here anyway. That's a deep hole. These things here were holding it up too, but we managed to pull it through. Check the air box, there's no water in it. So, looks like it's good. Fired her up. We'll check the oil later, I guess. No, I think it's fine. Would have been sad if the old Honda would have been ruined because of the water, because it's been, what is it, 99? 1999? 98? It's been held up this long and going great ever since. It's the worst predicament it's ever been in. So there goes Dad with his Honda. He's going to go up further up the creek, see if there's like a beaver dam up there. I'm going to join him. Well, that was fun. I didn't even see that coming today. I was at home doing some work. Next thing you know, I get a call, have to drop everything, come help Dad out. I don't mind. I thought it was a lot of fun, but I'm just glad everything turned out all right. So we're gonna head off now back to the house and put his ATV away.